literally save you weeks of study time.
Stop it. Get some help.
Stop wasting hours on tasks that should take seconds. If you aren't using these 5 secret AI tools in 2026, you're basically living in the Stone Age. From finishing your homework in one click to editing photos like a pro for free, I've tested hundreds of tools, and these 5 are the absolute best. Stay until number 1 because it's a total game changer for students and creators that most people don't even know exists. Let's dive in. Coming in at number 1 is TinyWow. This website is honestly ridiculous. Imagine having a professional editor, a PDF expert, and a tech genius all in one place, for free. Need to remove a background? Done. Need to merge 10 PDFs or unlock a protected file? Easy. It even has AI writing tools and video downloaders. The best part? There are no annoying subscriptions or pay-to-play models here. If you're a student or a small creator, this should be your most bookmarked tab. Whether it's converting a video to a GIF or fixing a blurry photo, TinyWow handles it in seconds. Have you ever taken the perfect photo, but there's a random person or a trash can in the background ruining it? Don't open Photoshop. Just use MagicEraser. It's an AI-powered tool where you literally just brush over the part of the photo you don't want, and poof, it's gone. The AI intelligently fills in the background as if the object was never there. It's perfect for cleaning up your Instagram shots or making your YouTube thumbnails look much more professional without needing any design skills. It's fast, it's free, and it's frighteningly accurate. Number 3 is for everyone who hates making PowerPoint slides. Say hello to Gamma.app. Instead of spending all night dragging text boxes and looking for images, you just type in your topic. Want a presentation on the future of space travel? Just type it in, and the AI builds the entire deck for you. It writes the content, picks the layout, and even adds relevant images. You can customize anything with a simple click. It's not just for students. If you're a professional or a freelancer, this will save you hours of boring work every single week. If you want to grow on social media but don't want to show your face or spend hours editing, Lumen 5 is your secret weapon. You can take any article, blog post, or even a simple script, and this AI will automatically turn it into a high-quality video. It finds the perfect stock footage, adds professional-looking captions, and matches the music to the mood of your text. It's basically like having a full-time video editor in your browser. This is how many big pages are creating viral content so quickly, and now you can do it too. And finally, at number 1, the ultimate hack for students and researchers, ChatPDF. We all have those massive 50-page PDF files or textbooks that we don't have time to read. With ChatPDF, you just upload the file and you talk to it. You can ask, what are the 3 most important points in this document? Or explain page 15 like I'm 5 years old. The AI reads the entire thing instantly and gives you precise answers with citations. It's like having a private tutor who has already read every book for you. This tool alone can literally save you weeks of study time. There you have it. 5 AI tools that will make your life 10 times easier in 2026. If you found this helpful, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel for more secret tech tips. Comment down below which tool was your favorite, or if you know an even better one. I'll see you in the next one. Peace!